Breaking news which is coming in from Telangana. Telangana Health Director shocks. He credits Christianity for India's development. In fact, he says that COVID had subsided because of Jesus. In fact, he says Indians would not have survived without Christianity. This is the Telangana Health Director. Can you believe it? The Health Director himself saying this. Listen in.
కానివ్వండి వీటన్నిటికి కూడా మన వారధులు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారంటే మన దేశానికి కానివ్వండి మన రాష్ట్రానికి కానివ్వండి ఎవరైనా వారధులు ఉంటే అది కేవలం క్రైస్తవ సోదరులు మాత్రమే. ఈ విషయాన్ని మనందరం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. లేకపోతే ప్రపంచంలో భారతదేశం మనుగడ సాధించలేకపోయేది. ప్రపంచంలో భారతదేశం ఇంత అభివృద్ధి చెందలేకపోయేది. ఆ రోజు ఎవరైతే ఈ రూపంలో మన దేశానికి ఆధునిక వైద్యాన్ని, ఆధునిక విద్యని, ఆధునిక సంస్కృతిని తీసుకొచ్చారో మన దేశాన్ని ప్రపంచంలో అన్ని దేశాల కంటే ముందుండేట్లు చేసింది. నిజంగా మీ అందరికీ కూడా మన కొత్తగూడెంలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళే కాకుండా కూడా రాష్ట్ర వ్యాప్తంగా, దేశవ్యాప్తంగా, ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా ఈరోజు ఈ 2022 సంవత్సరంలో క్రిస్మస్ రూపంలో యేసు నామాన్ని ప్రతినిత్యం అనునిత్యం ఏదైతే మీరు స్మరిస్తూ.
Let me go across to Shomit. Shomit, you must explain to us the kind of post that this man holds and what is his role in governance, because he is someone, if he is in charge of COVID containment, he cannot go around saying that Jesus removed COVID and not taking adequate steps, putting his faith instead in God.
Well, it's very shocking actually, it struck, new controversy here in Telangana state. He was attending a charitable program there and, actually it was organized by his own charity and also, he was attending a program there in Kottagudem and he has stated, very interesting and very shocking, statements we can say. And he has stated that, Meghna, it has happened everything, the development we can see in India only because of the Christianity, because of the Christian brothers, and also they are the people who have saved humanity, and also they are the people who have brought the medicines and also the treatment and also education and all those things. And later he have stated that even this whatever the COVID the people suffered with the COVID crisis and also whatever happened in last 2.5 years, that was not because of the doctors giving their treatment to the patients, but that is because of the kindness of the Jesus, this COVID subsided. And that is what he has exactly stated there, attending a semi-Christmas program in the Kottagudem.
Well, this is rather unfortunate. Let's listen in once again to what the Director of Health, listen in very closely. This is the